Let them have discussions. These people reached out to our president. They said they have reached a dead end. They want an exit strategy. The president said, fine, go and discuss your issues in parliament. No problem. President called us and told us, we said, fine. Call off the protests, go and talk in parliament. Fair enough, go and discuss. Within the constitution, within the law. They are threatening to go back to the streets, no problem. The streets are there, they have gone nowhere. We are there, we have gone nowhere. But I want to say, like I said last Saturday, no one, and I repeat, no one will destroy any property belonging to the people of Kenya. It will not happen. Whatever they want to do, we are fine. We have no problem. Tuko sawa. Vile watu wanataka kufanya, mtu afanya mambo yake, lakini mali ya raia iheshimike. Agiuga ido chiandu anyombe no itu. Eno agikuda mumbi. Mundu akirotera ido chiene atigana na indo cia nyombe no. Tondo ithuĩ tũrĩ aruti wĩra tũkĩraga tene tũkerutaniria. Kindu kia mundu kiheo gitio onokorwo kaigana